Let me introduce myself to you all. I am Aditya, a senior to you all. So, when we entered the university, we had no one here to guide us all. But of course, you are lucky in some fact to there is someone to guide you all. The mistakes which we did, you don't do it again. And also one more thing I would like to focus upon, the main reason why I took this topic, I was good. First of all, I was good in academics, so I was recommended from that side to take to present the academics thing from my side. And second thing, I want to break the barrier as a senior and start I approach from my side to start communication first. Okay. So here are the subjects of the first year. We will be starting upon. Sorry, that is the first. Next slide, please. So I will be guiding you on each subject, like how to study it throughout the year on each topic. Kindly pay attention. If you have any doubt, ask on the topic on this spot itself. So for genetics, if you have no clear information where to start from, what should we study from the first time, use the NCERT book which we study in India. Study the basics from there. Once the basics are clear, then you can get upon to the modules which the man provides to you all. And in the library at last, if you have completed your module, NCERT, everything, then you get upon the library. There are some books which will be provided to you to study from there. Second, on YouTube, this is extra material which I will be telling you, Amoeba Sister and DNA Today. DNA Today is a good topic there. They provide the podcast of genetics of each topic. You will be studying on any topic, you will get the updated content. The latest research which is getting carried out right now, you can get it there, DNA Today. And Amoeba Sister, that is also a good topic, good channel to study genetics there. Third thing, question practice. First of all, the class questions which the man provides in the class. Second thing, there is an Android app which you can find on App Store. From there you can get the whole set of questions on each topic and practice upon. And that app is for all the topics. Genetics, physiology, biochemistry, anatomy, everything. And at last, previous year questions which you can get from the senior. Let's go. General informatics, I don't think that you need to study in more detail. Class notes, slides and previous year questions, that is enough for that. Just focus upon the shortcuts and what all the teacher is telling in the class, make note of it. Because it will not be easy to pass exams at last. Especially I am telling you for genetics, when the lab is going on, focus what the teacher is saying, what he is saying, telling you to do. Just don't depend upon the monitor that he will give you the answers and you will copy it and write there. At there you will finish writing it just from copying from the monitor, but in the real exam you will literally cry there. Because there will be no one to help you, one by one you will have to go there and do it all by yourself. If you have copied the answer all from the monitors, you will literally cry there. Anatomy. So, this Gray's Anatomy, this is the official standard book to study anatomy. After that, books to refer, General Anatomy Handbook by P.D. Chalasya. This book you can purchase itself or download PDF and start studying by now itself, because when the anatomy will start, you won't have enough time to study each topic in detail. This is an easy way to start studying medical at the first instance. General Anatomy Handbook of P.D. Chalasya. That you can download PDF, and if not, I will share the PDF to the monitors. Second is standard book to study anatomy, Gray's Anatomy for students. This is the official book which you will be studying for your assembly, lab, EHA, whatever. This is the standard book for all the exams, even for Indian exams. And anatomy, Gray's Anatomy review book. That is the review book to practice question on each topic once you have done. And Netter's Atlas Human Anatomy. The way to study anatomy is that open the Gray's Anatomy book or P.D. Chalasya, most of you have carried, I think. Open that book and then copy it, open the Netter's Atlas Anatomy. Study one topic and see the images in the anatomy book provided Atlas. You will create you will get imaginative memory of that concept so that you don't forget it afterwards. Other study material, Netter's Atlas, that is extra one I told you. And 3D Atlas app. I will tell you all to purchase that because that 3D Atlas app is the best thing that you will be needing in the whole 6 years. Purchase it itself in the first year or like do it with one of your friends, share it and purchase it. Next topic. Physiology. Like some of the chapters which you are now studying in genetics, like cellular physiology, this all will be included in here. And also study it, you can start studying this topic also now itself, because once it starts in this class, you won't have time to grasp all the concepts one by one. From now itself, you all guys are free, like you can pay more attention to your genetics, all the topics which are carried out right now, and along with that you can start your medical subjects one by one. Like I told you, handbook of British Oracea. Second is this physiology. Like you are studying the physiology, first chapter cellular physiology in genetics, right? Study that from physiology also. In genetics, you are studying the first chapter cellular physiology. That you can study the physiology also. That will like more clear your concept. And at the time when the teacher will be starting it in the class, you will have a general idea of what it is. That is an easy topic to carry on. And also our school conducts a physiology quiz. So studying it in detail so that when the teacher starts in the class and when the quiz will be there, you all can like interact with it. Otherwise, just wait and watch. Next topic. Oh, sorry, back. Wait a minute. Lindax first stanza. This is the official book to study for your assembly lab all the exams. Class notes that are enough for you to pass the exam. And third, for question practice, this is the Ganon's review of medical physiology. That is the book for question practice of all the topics. Next slide. Biochemistry. Actually, like my sister is already in the medical profession, so I study from her. And we have not studied in the class, but I know how to study, so I better prefer you also how to study it in the first year itself. Because for us it is in the second year, but I think for you all it will be in the first year itself. The standard book, the Satyanarayana, is also an Indian book and it is a standard book worldwide to study this biochemistry. You can refer that book because it will be easier for you to learn that in a friendly language, I can say. And class notes for all the topics of what you need the class notes to pass the exam. Without that you can't. Next topic. Preclinical. No time. See, preclinical. This is the most important subject in first year which you will be facing, because like I studied it very well, but still I got less marks. What the mistake is was, when the teacher is teaching, just observe each and every step very precisely, because a single mistake will reduce all your marks in the final exam. What is septic, non-septic, everything that will be like monitored very well in the original exam. Don't even miss a single concept, a single class in the preclinical classes. What mistake I did was, I studied everything in detail, I observed everything very clearly, but in the real exam, the teacher asked me to do like procedure on a male body, and by mistake on a female body, and I did it on male body. Everything was going on well, the teacher was saying good, and after that, your 5 minutes are finished. Now read the question again. I read the question again, it was female body, marks were deducted. And in that you will have 3 sessions, like first will be procedure, another will be communication, and at last it will be like general communication and examination of a patient. The first procedure will be like procedure in that like catheter insertion, intravenous, intramuscular injection. This all you will have to like study in detail from the book as well as that is the official. Like you won't get any books from the university side to study this topic. The teachers will be teaching in the class, then there itself you will have to make the notes and carry it home. But this is the official book, standard book I can say to study this topic. You can purchase that book, or if you have laptop or tablet, you can just download the PDF, that's enough. And make notes from that book as well as the class notes, because in the main exam the teacher will be asking everything in detail. You can't skip like one question. If you don't answer, you get rejected marks and a lower point. That's all. And e-learning of CQMP. E-learning of CQMP, have you got all the access? E-learning of CQMP? Not yet. But yeah, that will be getting soon. And in that, every book PDF will be already provided in this video. video lectures. So that is also good things to learn about. That is my Zello, and like if you need any help, you can contact me there. And one more thing I would like to ask you guys. I don't know what rumors you have listened till now about the seniors or from the juniors, but believe me, approach from your side. Try to communicate with them like with respect. They will be more helpful to you. I'm not saying this as a senior, taking as a friend, as an elder brother, whatever you want. But if you will be take that barrier of attitude. You are the first year student. I was also first year student. I had no one to support me there. We faced a lot of problems. We didn't get question papers, nothing. We have like no one can provide us any experience. You have your seniors who can guide you to some extent. So be friendly with them. Treat them as your brother or sister, and of course I guarantee you that each and everyone will be respecting you always. Like in the universities, this is open way that the more you approach, the more you learn, the more you earn. If you are like in that attitude of why should I talk, that's not a problem, it is your loss. At the end of 6 years, of course, you will we will be passing, we have no seniors, you too will pass without interacting with any seniors. But once you start interacting with your seniors, your other classmates, I2, I1 batch, you will gain more experience. Like they are also like your seniors, like I1 and I2, they would have given the exams previous to you, before you, sorry. So you can get their experience, learn from them, whatever mistakes they have did, just avoid it. Being in the third batch, that is your like plus one for you, that you will have an experience of 3 batches before you, B and I1 and I2. Use that experience and gain good marks better than us. You can use like when we arrived here, ma'am was there. She helped us a lot in each and every possible way. Even the teachers today were guiding us in the clinical and whatever. We need any help in the hospital, in the university. All of them are there to help us every time. And grow yourself in all the field possible. If you are not good at public speaking, you hold this mic. I too shiver sometimes. That's normal. It will be a matter of joke among you 70 guys, right? But I will grow with time. I will improve. Even the first time I had the mic in my hand in class, I shivered. Even many of the students shivered, but now they are okay. They can speak fluently with 70 guys. I have never spoke like before entering this university. I was not a confident speaker, but after coming to the university, I explored all the things which I was not good at. Dancing, singing, gym, everything. I went everywhere. I like to all the extent I can explore myself, I did it. So to make 500K for each, this 2 points. First, break the barrier, start approaching your seniors, start communicating with them. Second thing, one more thing I wish for like the presentations which you will be making for each class, that will be a part of the question paper. So don't go in more detail while making the presentations. The more detail you will be making, the more problem you will be facing in the real exam. Okay? So, okay, thank you guys. Hope this will be